Hi, I am Sayad. In this video I will tell you about the small K-Class Honda N360 and N600 from 1967 to 1973. The Honda N360 is a small front-engine, front-wheel drive, two-door, four-passenger car manufactured and marketed by Honda from March 1967 through 1970 in Japan's highly regulated K-Class, as both a two-door sedan and three-door wagon. After a January 1970 facelift, the N360 became the NII 360 and continued in production until June 1972. A larger engine variant, the N600, was marketed through 1973. In 2012, Honda introduced the Honda N1, an homage inspired by the 1967 Honda N360. The N360 featured front-wheel drive and an air-cooled, four-stroke, 354cc, 31 horsepower, two-cylinder engine with four-speed manual constant mesh, dog clutch engagement and three-speed automatic. Honda marketed the N360 as a two-door sedan, with a three-door wagon. The Honda-matic-equipped N360 which appeared in August 1968 was the first K-car equipped with an automatic transmission. An upgraded 36 PS 26 kilowatts engine was added in October 1968 for the N360 TS. Honda LN360 wagon. The three-door wagon called the LN360 arriving in June of the first year. The LN360 had the same 31 PS engine as the sedan. After a January 1970 facelift it became the Lane 360, with a new non-reflective dash, bigger turn signals. The LNII 360 was built until late 1971. Honda N600. The N600 model is a sedan car manufactured by Honda, from year 1969 until 1972. The N600 has a naturally aspirated inline two-cylinder engine. This engine produces a maximum power of 46 PS. The power is transmitted to the road by the front-wheel drive with a four-speed manual gearbox. Thanks for watching Automotive Revolution. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.